Okay, all right. I was out here about 2 weeks ago. And you saw the shell of this 50 by 72. But let's go inside here. Let's take a look. Actually, guys, good guys at Tongs over here in Tiffin are doing some work. But you can see right here, they're tunneling this or digging this out here. You can see what's going on right here. Like we talked about in the previous video, this guy's actually going to be using this as a quasi-home, quasi-storage post-frame building. As you can see over here, this is actually going to be his actually, what's this going to be again? This one right here is going to be kitchen. This is going to be the kitchen right here, and this is going to be right over here his mop sink over there. And this one, sir, what's that one right here with the box right there?
That's for the kitchen island.
The kitchen island. So we got an island right there. So if we back up here, you see here the kitchen, how he's got this set up here on the interior. Again, 50 by 72. So that gives you an idea from a square footage standpoint. But the mop sink, and then that's going to be his island. Then over here, refresh my memory again.
That's your bathroom setup there, your lavy sink, and then on the opposite side you'll have your shower tub,
Yeah.
toilet, and then on the other side you'll have your laundry box, and you'll have your equipment room sink.
Yeah. You can see what he's doing here. Okay, bathroom. He's gonna have his laundry set up right here. You can see how these guys got this thing constructed. Have this furrowed in here. But this is what you can do, and so again, 50 by 72. And you can see right there, he's got a nice quasi bay window there and so forth. So he's gonna make this a storage / house, post-frame building, but a lot of possibilities that you can do. More information, habitable.com.